seems that we're surrounded by robots now, and it feels like a new chapter here. And so we have seen you in high performance gaming. We have seen you in Provis. I think we have been working now almost 10 years on AI together. But now this is robotic thing. What's happening, Ilan?
What's happening is very simple. Look at how NVIDIA's evolved.
Yeah.
And, you know, from the GPU for gaming, and to see a massive change from Provis to AI, which was really about processing data, and from there, you know, the moment of LLMs moving into agentic AI, and then when you see GTC, you hear the talk of physical AI. We're surrounded by physical AI, and one of the coolest things is that it doesn't take a lot of imagination, but it's sci-fi coming for real.
Yeah, it's starting now.
Oh yeah.
And we were going around here on site, and there were quite a number of Unitree solutions. Now, Unitree is a great example of the ecosystem play that we have at NVIDIA. They have been a great partner to us. They're using Jetson inside of their platforms. A great Isaac robotic platform adoption. There's Groot, the foundational model. So, fantastic partner. But they're also a key partner for Scan.
Oh, phenomenal partner. And to make all of these ideas into reality, it's been able to get access to, you know, products and do your own R&D. So, you know, Unitree are a world leader in terms of, you know, what they've produced hardware-wise, and it's the combination of taking all the hardware that exists in the form of humanoids, as you can see, you know, the traditional market of robotic arms, all the way down to quads. Each one of these devices is a data collection device, and with the development of actuators and the ability to, you know, do movement in the form of degrees of freedom, they do so much. But what makes it all bind together is the NVIDIA ecosystem that plugs over the hardware ecosystem. And in many ways, I liken it to be like the PC industry, and in the way how, you know, mainframes evolved to, you know, PCs under desks, which evolved to, you know, laptops, and then, you know, devices that we all walk around with. In the same way, if you take some imagination, with the speed at which things are developing, with, you know, large language models, with hardware developing, and, you know, with so much more points of data collection and simulation for all the things that you mentioned, robotics to me is sci-fi coming into, you know, reality.
Yeah, it's here now. It's starting. Great comparison, by the way, with the PC ecosystem and how that evolved. I think it raises the question: where do you think we're in the tech cycle? What's happening? To whom are you catering mostly?
So initially, it's all about R&D at this moment in time. It's taking all of the ecosystem that NVIDIA's made, and, you know, that to me is Omniverse for the digital twins. It's Isaac Sim for simulations, and Jetson and Thor for the actual compute part on the robot. And if you add those things together and combine that with the robotic ecosystem, each robot has its own operating system called ROS. It has its own infrastructure, much like a PC had. And it's the combination of those two which really get the R&D markets on fire. And that's where we're seeing a lot of activity right now. And it's just special. It's special because you're seeing some amazing minds come together, but it's bringing sci-fi to reality.
That's very fascinating. And it's not unlike what we have seen before, right? During our AI journey, developers, researchers, and then we see the bigger adoption. So it's great to have you as a partner, and that you are nurturing this ecosystem.
Oh, it's great fun to do. And it's great to see how the GPU has evolved so much in so many different areas. That, you know, for all those days of seeing, you know, immersive gameplay and the worlds that were created in a gaming environment, to use a technology of that kind of basis to then start to act as models for robotics, it's pretty phenomenal and special to see.
I can't wait to see what's going to be next.
Yeah, definitely.